What's going on, y'all? I got a do-it-yourself remedy to show you how to get rid of razor bumps overnight. Like seriously, basically overnight. So as you can see, I'm freshly lined up. Recently left the barbershop. I may have a few razor bumps on there, but not too many. Just something small, mild irritation. And I'm gonna jump right into it, show you guys what to do. Alright now, so all you're gonna need for your do-it-yourself remedy is gonna be paper towels, Neosporin, the original, works just fine, and some alcohol. Alright man, first thing you're gonna do is get your paper towel, throw a little alcohol on it, and then you're gonna go over all the spots your barber went over or you might have missed when you were at the barber shop, or just going over it because you just lined yourself up. So make sure you get up under your neck, because that's where a lot of your razor bumps are gonna be. Get under there good. Next thing I do is go ahead and apply the Neosporin. So next thing we're doing is applying the Neosporin. I try to apply the Neosporin whenever I have bumps. So I know most of my razor bumps come right up under my neck, so I'll apply it right there. Get it going. Then sometimes I put it right where my mustache is, because I know this is a sensitive spot, and I like to let this skin heal after I get lined up, because I don't like dead, lined up skin right there where you can see where it was lined up. So after I apply the Neosporin, I go ahead and lay it down, because I possibly have to go to work in the morning, and then when I wake up, I no longer have razor bumps. You can get all the products at Walmart for under $10. Paper towels you may already have in your house, Neosporin you may already have, and alcohol. But if you don't, you can go buy them for $10 or less than $10, and you can really do it yourself at home, and it works. So give me some feedback. Let me know how long it takes for you, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.